Welcome to our class of English literature. Hope you all are fine. Now, our country India is also known as world's largest culture and also has large number of festivals celebrated. Among these festivals, one of the biggest festival of India celebrated almost in all the parts of the country is Diwali, which is also known as Deepavali, a festival of lights and lot many preparations. So today in this chapter named Happy Deepavali, we will see what preparations do we see in this festival. In this story, a boy Rohan and his family are celebrating Diwali. Let us see how. Rohan was playing chess with his father. Suddenly, her mom called her from the kitchen to help her in cleaning the storeroom. After completing the cleaning of storeroom, she also need Rohan's help in cleaning the bedroom. Rohan replied to his mother that today was Sunday and he wanted to enjoy it. Her mother explained him that they have to complete the cleaning of the house by next week, as Diwali was just 15 days away. Aunt Simi and his cousins are also coming to celebrate Deepavali with them. Deepavali was Rohan's favorite festival, and he did not mind helping his parents in cleaning the house before Deepavali. After the house was cleaned, it was painted with a fresh coat of paint every year. Their house looked beautiful on the night of Deepavali. Every year, after cleaning, Rohan's mother and grandmother used to make sweets. Rohan's grandmother was a great cook and liked making all the sweets at home. They have been making lots of delicious, or we can say tasty, items every Deepavali. Rohan's mouth started watering at the thought of the delicious gulab jamuns and gojiyas that he would be eating in few days. Finally, it was Friday. Next day was Deepavali. Though everyone was happy, Rohan was very sad. His mother had said that she will not buy any crackers for him this year. So he went to his father for asking him to go to buy crackers. Just then, his elder sister Anjali entered the room. She said, "Don't you remember, Rohan, the promise all the students have made to say no to crackers? Don't you remember how much smoke and dust these crackers have caused last year?" Rohan was silent. All his happiness vanished. That is, went away or was gone. He was thinking, after all, what was Deepavali without crackers? Anjali was knowing that his brother was very fond of bursting crackers. She said, "Oh, come on, Rohan. We will make rangoli." She said this to cheer him up. His grandpa said, "I will put fairy lights in all the rooms of the house. But Rohan, you have to help me." His mom said, "I have bought new clothes for everyone." Rohan's grandma said, "Rohan, you can taste all the sweets to make sure that they are tasty." Now Rohan brightened up. He could not wait for the next morning. It was indeed a very happy Deepavali for him. In this way, in the end of the story, Rohan was very happy and enjoyed his favorite festival of Deepavali. Thank you. But Rohan, you have to help me. Enjoyed his favorite festival of Deepavali.